Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. In this challenge, every week we'll be posting development challenges to improve your skills on coding to give you a hands-on experience on coding. So in this week, the first problem we'll be seeing is sticky header challenge. So what is the problem here? There is a website which is created, a web page, and whatever the header you see, when you scroll, the header the header stands there, so that it is blocking the content whatever is behind that. What should ideally happen when you're scrolling it down? The header should also go up, and when you're just as you scroll little down, then this header should come back. They're saying, okay, you might be searching for header, but if it stays there, you'll be missing the whatever the content is going behind header, because header is in the first layer and header is here. So when this keeps going, this content gets blocked. So if this is hidden, this can be completely visible, and whenever you need it, it comes automatically there. So we should do that. And how do we do that is basically, when you scroll down, you have to just hide the header, and as soon as the mouse tries to scroll up, then you have to give back the header or display the header. So we have three parts: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's go one by one. So the first, HTML, we first have the header, whatever the main point of interest. That is, we have some 5 categories: home, missions, discoveries, astronauts, and contacts. So these are the 5 lists of 5 items in the header. After that, we have the hero section, where this is the main part of the web page which is visible to you. We have an image as well in that, and then some content in the paragraph. Now, then we have the content which is in heading 2, followed by the paragraph content, which is of not very which is not very important to us. So this is basic content. You can consider that as lorem ipsum. Now we have the JavaScript. Now we have the CSS. So in this CSS, this is the CSS of the header part. Now, what else can I tell in this? Okay. Yeah, you can just mind this transition, keep this thing on a transition. It says stop 0.4 seconds ease. So the transition kind of ease in 0.4 seconds. So yeah, this is completely depends on whatever you want, however you want it. Now this coming to JavaScript. Here we have a first let saying last scroll top equal to 0. So initially we have the scroll top set to be 0, and then we have to get the document element, get element by ID. So that is basically whatever is header in this index.html, we have to take that is the point of interest. And now we have to add an event listener. So whenever you scroll, this event is called whenever you scroll, and then we have to calculate the scroll top. How do we calculate the scroll top? We have 2 formulas, either window.page offset or document element dot scroll top. So in this 2, you'll get to know how much you have scrolled till now. And now if you check if the scroll top is greater than the last scroll top, so what does this basically tell is basically if you're scrolling down, then we have to make that as hidden. So in this hidden, we have the style for hidden. So this thing is the hidden. Or else, if it is not greater than this, then we have to remove the header saying it is either coming up or it is staying there. And then we have to calculate the last scroll top for the next set of scrolling. So initially it is 0, and then we have to set it how much ever it is scrolled for. Now let me run the program and show it to you. Okay, so you can see this is the hero part and this is the header. So as soon as I scroll down, it goes up. So I can keep reading the content properly. And now, because I scrolled it up, now, so let's see, I want to scroll it up, then it comes again. You can see my cursor, it is going down, and then as soon as I scroll it up, it comes back. So this is how it should work, and here it doesn't work any link because we've not connected it to anything. So let's say if it was always like this, then the content would be hidden. So now whenever you scroll down, it automatically goes up saying, okay, you want to read the content, and whenever you scroll a little up as well, it comes back saying, okay, you might be looking for this thing. Let me submit the program. So the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.